Have you ever wondered what it's like to spot planes under a blanket of stars? Let me take you into the world of nighttime plane spotting, where every landing light is a tiny beacon in the darkness, and every roar of an engine seems to echo under the night sky. Now, spotting planes at night, it's not just about catching the big jets. It's about the anticipation, standing on the edge of the runway, eyes glued to the horizon, waiting for a distant glimmer of light to announce another arrival. There's something magical about the way a plane bursts out of the blackness, lights blazing like a comet. Trust me, it never gets old. The thrill is in the challenge. Your camera settings have to be just right. The autofocus struggles, so you rely on instinct and sometimes pure luck to capture that perfect shot. And when you do, that feeling is unbeatable. But it's not all about photography. Sometimes I just stand still and listen. The hum of the engines, the click of landing gear, the subtle change in pitch as the plane descends, that's music to my ears. And above it all, the stars. When you look up, you realize you're not just watching metal birds. You're witnessing human ambition, flying high against the infinite universe. So next time you're near an airport after dark, grab a jacket, bring your camera, and join me out under the stars. Spotting planes at night isn't just a hobby, it's an experience, a connection to something bigger. Who knows, maybe you'll catch that once-in-a-lifetime shot, or maybe you'll just find a little peace in the hush of the night sky. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spotting. Thanks for watching. If you love aviation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss a takeoff. See you in the next flight.